Hey, my name is Galia and this video for those engineering, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So by the end of this video, you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. As you see on your homepage, and you want to make sure you have more than 1500 words on your homepage, and also correct keywords, and the pictures also saving in the right way. So if you see, check here, see, it's better if here you would have some keywords according to your company, so that's also gonna help you out. The second thing I want to talk about is a citation. So if you come here, we can see Google guaranteed, and then we can see these ads here, but now a lot of people have ad blockers, so some people see this, some not. And then if you go down here, we can see the map pack. So what is citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. You might ask yourself, what is directory and how do I get in those? It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within there would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on the maps here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in. And you want to try to go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to, just stop whatever they have. You want to add a little bit more. So that way you completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is the backlinks. So that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. And you see like Yelp, expertise, as usually right here. Yeah, expertise, home advisor. So these are a lot of big national companies that taking up the top of the page. Way backlinks work, all it means is that there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal, and you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had to send you a link. You did some work and you did a good job, and they send you a link, but their whole website's all about ice cream shops and ice cream stuff. It's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at one of these of my tools here, it's called Ahrefs. It's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. So I see here you have 8 referring domains. That gives you 13 backlinks, and you have 0 keywords, organic keywords, and 0 organic traffic. For you to have a picture. Let's see, one of your competitors here, they have 713 referring domain. That gives them more than 3,000 backlinks, and they're getting found for more than 26,000 keywords, and out of those keywords they have more than 26,000 people on average on their site each month. So to boost these numbers is very doable, and we are specialized in this. So that's pretty much it what I had for today, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did, that would be awesome. And thanks again, and have a wonderful day.